Hello guys, Boda's away for the weekend, but I thought I would put out a video. Here's a quick clip of something we did a little while back.
RC administration, how can I help you today?
Yes, this is Anita Fisher.
Okay.
Can I speak to a fat boy?
You want to speak to whom?
Fat redneck fucking chicken boy, is he there?
Department of Social Security Administration. How may I help you?
Yes, there. Who am I speaking with?
You are speaking with the Officer Mike Davis from the Department of Social Security.
I believe I was speaking with Rep Balls.
What do you say?
Willie Redneck Balls, I think his name was. Not sure.
No, you are not talking to me, ma'am.
No, I know that
We are
was not
talking
you.
to
I
first.
can tell his voice. He was
Mm-hmm.
a very soft-spoken individual.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I speak to Fat Boy.
I'm sorry?
Fat Boy. I think it's Fat Redneck Fucking
Yeah.
Chicken Boy.
No.
No, okay. Who is this again?
Social Security Administration. How can I help you?
I'm looking to speak to Willie Redneck Balls.
I'm sorry?
Willie Redneck Balls, is he there? Who is this?
You have reached the Department of Social Security Administration and you are talking to Officer Charles Smith.
Charles Smith. Okay, this isn't Fat Boy
Yeah.
then.
All right.
I was speaking
What's
with
your name?
somebody earlier. I'm not sure if it was here, but it was Fat Redneck Fucking Chicken Boy. But who is this?
Social Security Administration, how can I help you?
Yes, this is Anita Thompson.
Okay.
I'm wondering about why.
How can I?
I'm wondering why I'm getting calls from this
Okay, and
number.
what time you receive the phone call, miss? That's all right.
I would have to check the base. I'm not sure. I left here yesterday sometime around evening time. So anytime from yesterday evening time until today, about evening time. So.
That's all right. I'll take a look into it. Please tell me your first and the last name so that I can pull up your file and check your record.
It's Anita, as I said, Thompson.
Thompson, that's your last name, right?
Yes, yeah. THOMSON.
And your first name? I got that. And what's your first name, Miss Thompson?
Anita, ANITA.
Hold the line for a moment. Let me pull up your file and check your record.
Okay.
Miss Anita, I guess we were speaking earlier. I think you were speaking to me earlier.
Yes, did you get my
If you do
pizza
not,
ready?
the pizza.
Yeah, the beef pizza.
Did you order the pizza?
I ordered the pizza. Did you get it yet?
What was the size?
It was a 16-inch, I believe.
Is it medium? Is it medium or large?
I don't. 16-inch. What is that nowadays?
Oh my God, 16 is very big.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'll be able to manage that big.
Why not?
That's really big. 16 inches, like, how are you gonna fit in your stomach?
It's going to be for multiple people, silly. Goodness, I'm not going to eat the whole thing myself. You think I'm a
Who is the
typical
second person?
American? Well, where I'm,
Who is the
300
second
pounds.
person? Who is the second person?
The second person will be my nephew. And he will
Okay,
probably
alright.
eat three
So,
quarters of it. He's downstairs right now.
oh, you can call him anytime.
Why would I call him? He lives downstairs in the other apartment downstairs.
Oh, downstairs. I thought like it downtown.
No. He lives downstairs.
All are officer busy right now. Please call after some time.
I love that recording.
Social Security Administration, can I help you today?
Oh, goodness. I'm glad that I got a hold of you, dear. Who am I speaking with?
Thank you for calling Social Security Administration. How may I help you?
Oh, yes, hi. Who am I speaking
Oh,
with
yes,
right now?
no. Oh, yes, no. Oh, yes, no.
What?
You reached to the Department of Social Security Administration. How may I help you?
Yes, I just got hung up on, and I don't like that. Who, who is this? Hello,
Yeah.
who is this?
Confirm me your first and last name. You reached the Department of Social Security Administration speaking with Officer Derek Jeff.
My name is Ivan.
Spell out for me.
I-V-A-N.
IGA.
I-V as in Victor, A as in Apple, N as in Nancy, like little Nancy boy.
What is your last name?
Freely. F-R-E-E-L-Y.
Alright. Confirm your date of birth.
December 18th,
December
1969.
1969. Alright.
Yes.
Confirm your social security number.
That's 235 23
335.
1015.
Repeat again.
235 23
Yeah.
1015.
Alright. Please hold a line for a moment. I can pull up your file. Social Security Administration. How can I help you?
I don't like getting hung up on. Why are you hanging up on me?
Yeah, tell me your message.
Well, there it is, guys. I hope you have a good weekend.